If I could be a superhero, I would be Storm from the X-Men, because I used to be a meteorologist and she controls the weather. And don't mess with her, because if you make her mad, you have to suffer the whirlwind. Teaching, you share ideas, experiences, memories. It's not just a job for me, it's a lifestyle.
She's really understanding, with people's situations, really kind, really, she really wants you to learn.
She wants to see all of us succeed, regardless of how we came into class, how some people may be smarter than others, but she makes us all feel, that we're good people, that we can succeed.
She's really funny. She makes things easy. She doesn't make you nervous. Like, if you get something wrong or you try to explain something and you can't really find the right words, she doesn't make you feel bad about it.
As you know, we've been invaded by zombies, and the infected are everywhere. I am a person who encourages people. I try to bring humor to the struggle if I can, and I also try to make sure that everyone is vested in reaching whatever goal we're trying to accomplish.
Miss Billue is an excellent supporter for math. She is it's her passion, and she makes it fun for students. She's fair to students, and her calmness is her greatest strength.
She really tries hard to make sure that we understand what we're doing and we're not just retaining it for the test. She makes sure that we understand.
Now you're almost done with your interval. I like to apply difficult things and try to make them easier for my students, because in the real world, people think about things in terms of story and narrative and how they can actually use something. So when I create lessons, I try to think of, how are people going to use this? What are the stories behind this particular thing?
She relates it to real world problems. I know that's a lot, but she relates it to stuff we can relate to, not just anyone.
She's really trying to help students get ahead, and it's not really about book. It's about connecting with the students and making sure that they get something from her class.
My teaching superpower is being able to mind meld, like they did in Star Trek with the Vulcans. The Vulcans were really analytical, reasonable people, but they could do the finger thing and touch you, and then they could mind meld with you. That's my superpower.
Miss Billue is our hero.
I hope my students remember me as someone who inspired them, someone who helped them to grow, someone who helped them to find themselves, and someone who made them be able to do it unafraid.